Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning. Today we are unlocking a powerful tool in Excel, the filter function. In this video, I will show you how to create a dynamic search bar that makes finding data in your spreadsheet faster than ever. So let's jump right in and make Excel work smarter for you. So what is the filter function? It allows you to display only the rows that meet a specific criteria. Perfect for creating a quick and easy search bar that lets you find exactly what you are looking for. To start, you will need a dataset. Here I have a table with names, departments and salaries. Typical data for an employee list. To make this even easier, let's convert it into a table. Just press Ctrl+T and select your range. Finally click OK. Tables make filtering a breeze by structuring your data. Now find an empty cell where you will type in your search term. This cell will act as our search box. That is a single place to enter what you want to find. Margin center and set the border. Let's get into the formula magic. Click on the cell where you want filtered result to appear and type this formula. Equals and filter. Select the data range. Type is number. Double click on the is number function. Now type search. Select the cell where you want to search. Add a comma. Now select the range of search term. Quotation mark no result. Close the function. Here filter is an Excel function that returns a range of values. Meet a specific condition. Table 1, this is the range of data to filter. Is number 6 if search has returned a number. Search, look for a specific text. F2 is where we type the search term. This can be any value we want to search for in the data range. Table 1 department where we want to look for matches with our search term. Finally, no result. If there's no match, the formula shows no result as a custom message. You can change this to anything you like. With the formula in place, press enter. Now for the fun part, type something into the search cell and watch as Excel instantly filters the data based on your search. No more endless scrolling or trying to find things manually. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional dynamic search bar in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more time-saving Excel tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.